Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with a new releases video for this Friday. Our new releases go live at noon Eastern on scribbleprintsco.com. We do have a 3-hour unlimited stock on new releases from noon to 3 p.m. Eastern, so that's a 3-hour unlimited stock. So let's go ahead and get into this week's releases. I feel like this week's lineup is probably one of my favorites yet. We'll go ahead and go through the monthly kits first. These monthly kits are formatted to fit the Erin Condren Vertical Monthly or the Erin Condren Deluxe Planner. This is the non-Halloween option, so I always try to do, especially during the holiday times, a non-Halloween option. So this is the non-Halloween option, and this is using the art from Blushing Comfort, which I just feel is an overall really pretty kind of fall, kind of could go towards spring color scheme. Overall, just very pretty color scheme. So you do have your freebie here of the little mini bows. I actually use the new format in my planner, and I loved it. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys out. I did this kind of like as a rewind, and I think it turned out so cute. Pulled in some Simply Gilded washi and then a bunch of character stickers, and I really loved it. So, and this matches my nails. So that is the freebie, and then you have the top bar, some holidays, some extra little labels, flags, the boxes to fill the dates that are in the month, some decos, some quarter and half boxes, some full boxes here, 2 pieces of washi strips, and then a fancy label, glitter, date covers, and then 2 movie marquees. You have your sidebar, your mini icons, a flag, little event flags, and you have 2 strips to mark out time that isn't, or like time or vacations, I guess, or whatever. And then you have your headers and extra labels there. So that is Blushing Comfort. And then, oh, I actually didn't do a sidebar for that one, I don't think. Wait, did I not bring home the sidebars? I'll have pictures of them up. I don't know how. Missed those. Okay, so then there is the October monthly. I remember. Oh, I did do a sidebar. I did sidebars for each of them. They're a la carte. I believe for the October one, I did like the scene as a sidebar, and then for this one, I did do Binks the cat. So this is our Halloween option, which is a Hocus Pocus theme. I love this. This is exclusive art, so you won't see this art anywhere else. So you do have your freebie of the little bows, and then how cute is this? This is the one I'm going to be using because I'm all about some Halloween. And then you have your icons and your sidebar, your full boxes, washi and movie marquees, your dates for art in the month, a bunch of deco, and then also your half and quarter boxes. So that is the second option. Then we'll just go ahead and segue right in. I'm so mad that I don't have those sidebars. They're so cute. But you guys will see them on the website. The ultimate kit option for Hocus Pocus, this is an ultimate exclusive. Most of the times do that with exclusive art. Sometimes like you'll see the Pastel Halloween does come in a mini. We just kind of do it based on what production room we have. So let's go ahead and go through this one. So this is an ultimate kit exclusive, and then this is the Hocus Pocus collection. So you could kind of use this just as like kind of like a witchy kit. It doesn't have to be like Hocus Pocus themed. I think once you add the fashion girls, it really gives off the Hocus Pocus vibes. So these are the full boxes. You have a cat, some hands, a cute little outfit, the little like TN book, so cute, the little scene. You do have your Munchkin freebie as well. Then you have your deco page with your little scribblers here, a purple glitter bow there, and then you have your extra full box here, which is another girl. The icons are really cool. They're black. They remind me of the black candle. And then you have the glitter and the check boxes, and then the glitter and the strokes of the half boxes, your fancy labels, pattern washi and headers, your little things, solid washi and labels. You have your ombre hair checklist, which again has the glitter stroke throughout. And then you have the bottom washi, which is like the book, which I just love. This is probably, I would say, 98% going to be my Halloween collection. I love it. I'm definitely 100% using it. And it's most likely going to be my Halloween collection. The final art that is, oh no, wait, let me show you. So there are options. There's actually a lot of things that go kind of along with this. So there are options for, oh, there's an option if you want to add on the glitter sampler. There's an option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which makes it very Hocus Pocus. So you have all 3 of the girls, and then a quote box that says, I put a spell on you. So add this in, and you have like a full Hocus Pocus kind of kit. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the bows. And then there's also going to be scribblers. So I did do all the scribblers kind of dressed up as a character from Hocus Pocus. So this is going to be a sheet that's available scribbler wise. And then last but not least, these will be available for a little while, probably till after Halloween. And these are going to be available this weekend only. And these are little scribbler die cuts. So you have all of them dressed up as different characters from Hocus Pocus, all 3 scribblers. And these are just on our glossy cardstock. They aren't stickers, but I just thought they were super cute. And they might look good in a future TN setup, just saying. Like, you'll probably want them. So pick them up because they're going to look so cute added in there. So those are the options for Hocus Pocus. There's a lot of things going on with this kit. There's actually a lot of things going on with the next kit too. So we'll go ahead and get into that. But I love these scribblers. I think they're so cute. And I'm just super obsessed with this collection. Then we have the other exclusive art for this week, and this is the Pastel Halloween. So like I said, this is a art collection that you will not find anywhere else. So if you go ahead and open it up, I love this so much. You have something kind of like polar opposite to the Hocus Pocus one, where that one's like really dark and vampy. Oh, I didn't even pull out what overlays I'm going to do this week. So this one is super cute, very pastel, obviously. Oh, what glitter, what foil overlays should I do this week? I think I'm going to do these ones. Okay. So I wanted to do something kind of polar opposite of the Hocus Pocus. Whenever I requested that art, I was like, what can I do that's like different than that? And something that can kind of cater to people who don't like the dark vampy. And I was like, Pastel Halloween, because y'all loved Boo, but that collection has seen all of its days. So you do have your freebie there. Then you have your full box, which I love this. This is actually by Emily. Emily's very like funny. She's like dad joke funny, and it says, is this half box worthy? Best witches, eat more candy, you have the nails, you have the cat. It's just so cute. It's a very cute kit. You have a little star. You see like a bunch of little glitter in the background on the marble patterns. It's like star glitter. Then you have silver glitter accents in here. You have some scribblers in different costumes, unreleased scribblers. And then you have a bunch of really, really cute pastel deco. I just love this so much, especially with silver. I think it's going to be phenomenal. Or I think even pulling in hollow, I think even with the silver accents, I think hollow would look really, really cool. That extra full box is adorable. And then your icons. It's just such a pretty kit. You have some interesting glitter on here. I was experimenting with something new and putting glitter around the strokes of the like text on those. And then you have the same glitter stroke on the half boxes, pattern washi, fancy labels, headers, little things, solid washi labels. And then again, I was experimenting a little bit with the different types of glitter around the hearts, and I just think it looks super cute. And then you have a really simple bottom washi, which would look great layered with a bunch of different washies, especially like the candy bows from, actually this might even look cute with the SPC sorbet washi. I don't have it near me. Actually, hold on. This actually might look really cute with that. Yeah, this is the one. So this is the like the rainbow one, and it's kind of like hollowy silver. And then this is my SPC sorbet washi, and this has a lot more of the purples and pinks in it, and I think this would look excellent with this kit, like with these colors. That's gonna look perfect. But I also think pretty much any of the candy bows, like this pink with the hollow, would look really pretty. If you have this one here, which was like the Easter basket one with the pink, blue, and purple, would look really pretty. There's honestly a lot of options. You could do just white. You could do pretty much like that purple would be really pretty. There's like tons of different colors in here that I feel like if you are even the slightest bit of a Simply Gilded collector, you can find something that is going to match. Ooh, even the yellow. Something that's going to match perfectly. So I think that's gonna be super cute, and I definitely want to use this one as well. I honestly am kind of like scared a little bit because I don't have a lot of October. I usually do a full month of Halloween. Last year obviously I had like a birth kit for Bennett and a due date kit for Bennett, so I didn't do as many Halloween kits. And then this year I want to do obviously Bennett's birthday kit, which I had custom done with his theme, which will be coming out within the next couple of weeks, and I want to use that. And then I'm also going to Disney, so I do want to use this is a mini kit. I do want to use a Disney kit, so I don't know how many, I think there's technically like 6 weeks of October sort of that you can kind of pull from, and I might just go into like September, maybe even November, and I might actually just like, besides my Thanksgiving kit, go, the extras, I might go straight into Christmas because I'm that intense. So then there's a ton of different add-ons for this one as well. So you do have the option to add on the glitter sampler, which how cute are these colors? I think again with hollow or silver would be so cool. There's also the bow if you want to add those on. I think these are going to be really popular bows because they have like the silver clip and then they're just pastel colors. And then there's also a ton of different fashion add-ons. So you do have like the sexy girl look. So you have a bunch of different cat and mouse. I thought these were really cute. They look kind of like best friends. And then you have some little girl options. This one reminds me of Avery and this one reminds me of Jessica. And then there's also some boys. So you have this one dressed up as Frankenstein and he's real cute too. So that is all of the options for all of the add-ons for Pastel Halloween. And I love this purple color. This purple color is really unique. I feel like Holly's gonna really love it. Then there is this kit, which is probably one of my favorite Bloomschool arts in a real long time. It's beautiful. I love the dark vibes. I feel like it kind of reminds me of Eternal Sleep, which I don't think we even brought back last year. I think we did it for 2 years and then didn't bring it back last year. But I feel like it has the same vibes with the butterfly and like the spider, like spooky but like Halloween-y vibes. But I feel like you could also use this other times because it does feel kind of like almost like a dark Cinderella. So this is called Haunt It, and I put a lot of extra touches in this, and I think this in gold foil is gonna kill it with all of the dark colors. And I haven't really been into foil with dark colors because I kind of got into foil during Black Friday, and Black Friday you're buying for like February. So I'm really pumped to use this kit with foil. I definitely want to try and squeeze this in somewhere, even if it's November, because it kind of has that like, you know, moving into the winter vibes. So you do have the Once More With Love Munchkin freebie there, and then look at these full boxes. I love everything about it. The castle, the spider webs, the spider itself. It's cute. It's definitely unexpected. I feel like Bloomschool does a lot of very like pretty girly kits, but this is just like absolutely gorgeous. I love the bats. I love the girl. I love everything about it, and I love it with gold. I think it's so beautiful. Did it originally? Yeah, it had a ton of gold to begin with. I was like, did it? Yeah, it did. Then there is the, one thing I did, which is it doesn't like actually matter for any of the stickers, is I did put a glitter stroke of gold. Normally the glitter strokes match the color, but I just thought it like gave it a pop and made it an extra special kind of like vibe. But there's more things in here that I'll show you that are super extra special. So you have really gorgeous deco over here, a lot of little itty bitty spiders, which are adorable. I did do some kind of like darker navy Cinderella kind of princesses over here. You have your weekend banner in gold, and then you have your extra full box here, which is another girl. She has like a little butterfly on her hand, and then you do have your two boxes, icons and such. And then here's kind of where I had some fun, and I think I'm going to be doing something similar for holiday kits. So I did add the gold glitter instead of doing like the color that's behind it, and I muted down the ombre to make it a little bit less white. Added the little glitter stroke in here, which I thought looks really, really cool in the appointment labels. And then I went kind of ham with the glitter. It almost looks tinsely. So you have, instead of the glitter being the color of what the box is, it's gold glitter. So you have gold glitter on there, gold glitter on the half box, gold glitter on the appointment labels, and then gold glitter on the books and gold glitter on the bill dues. And I am in love. You have your little things and headers, and then again with the gold glitter. I just think it looks so cool, especially with the spider webs. I think it looks like kind of the spider webs kind of continue through because of how skinny the lines are. And then last but not least, again, I love these spider webs. I think it's so cool when they're gold. And then I did kind of switch out the font for this. Let me know what you guys think, because I don't use the other font in anything besides the date covers. And I just figured while I was being really experimental, I would go like full on out and change the date covers to a different font. So let me know what you guys think of these date covers. Kind of the same deal where all of these spaces are the same. So the headers are like, the text are aligned here. As you can see, they're the same space rather than aligned center. So there's always the same amount of space for the date cover. But I really like this font. It is the font that I used for the weekend banner and like the little Ultimate Kit logo here. And it's just something I think kind of completes the kit. Because like I said, I don't use the other font for anything else. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comments down below. There's also a mini kit option for this and a bunch of other add-ons. I was going to do a metal bow pack this week. I do have some mini metal bows, but I just figured there's a lot going on, and kit-wise that I would just wait because I have a feeling that this week is going to be a crazy week with all of the awesome releases. I love Halloween. I love like all of the holidays. So that's that. And then you do have the option if you want to add on the bows, if you want to add on the fashion girls, which are really pretty, if you want to add on this glitter sampler, which is the colors that are in the kit, and then there's also a gold option, which I know the gold options, like the all one color, are usually really, really good sellers because a lot of people like picking them up for other kits. Then another sheet that is not a kit is the markers for kits. These are what they looked like before. These ones are slightly taller, so they're still going to cover these up. I like to peel these off, but they don't come off completely. So these are the new ones. These ones are September 3rd through December 30th. I'm actually going to be releasing these. I think I'll release the next ones within the next 2 weeks. But I'm going to be releasing these in little sheets so that whenever this, this passes, I can discontinue this. I did offer them in full years before, but like, it got to be June and people would have to buy like half a year's worth of dates that already happened. So I'm going to put those in the shop, and they are marbled. They look super cute. I'll go ahead and show you guys. That's not a good example right there. And they look super cute with the marble, and I love that font, y'all know. And then last but not least, I'm going to quickly show you before my camera dies. Camera dies is the next foil overlay, and this is like a paint splatter, which is probably one of my favorite overlays. I just think it's really abstract and easy to use pretty much with anything, just to add a little extra foil, a little extra shine. So that's silver, rose gold, and gold. A lot of people are asking if all I am releasing now is full box overlays, and no, I think either next week or the next week. No, not next week because I have something planned for like to match a kit, but the next week I'm going to be releasing something that is not a full box overlay, which I'm really excited about, and then I'll probably have a couple that aren't full box overlays. So that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like all of the new releases. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, especially about the new font on this kit. There's probably, I think, I'm done till November with mystery kits, so won't like take effect until December for mystery kits. So, but just let me know what you guys think for future kits in there. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! And these are Friday and Easter.